Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where I share all my tips and tricks to help you ace your job interviews. Today, we're going to talk about a common interview question that often catches people off guard, the mock call practice. Now, during a job interview, the interviewer might ask you to do a mock call to assess your communication skills and how you handle real-life situations. It's important to remember that this is just a practice scenario, so don't stress too much about it. Let's dive into an example of how you can approach a mock call. Imagine you're interviewing for a customer service role at a tech company. The interviewer might say something like, "Alright, let's do a mock call. Pretend I'm a frustrated customer who's having trouble with their device. First and foremost, take a deep breath and remain calm. Remember, you've got this. Start by introducing yourself politely and empathetically. Acknowledge the customer's frustration. For instance, 'Hi, my name is Elon and I'm here to assist you. I understand that you're facing some difficulties and I'm here to help.' Next, actively listen to the customer's concerns and ask clarifying questions if needed. This shows that you genuinely care about finding a solution for them. Repeat their concerns back to them to ensure you fully understand the issue. Once you have a clear understanding of the problem, provide step-by-step instructions or troubleshoot the issue together with the customer. Use clear and concise language, avoiding technical jargon that might confuse them further. Always maintain a positive tone throughout the conversation, even if the customer becomes more frustrated. Remember, your goal is to provide excellent customer service and resolve their issue. Finally, end the call by summarizing the steps taken and asking if there's anything else you can assist them with. Thank them for their time and assure them that their issue will be resolved. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to handle a mock call scenario with confidence and professionalism. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to role-play with a friend or family member to sharpen your skills. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more job interview tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.